don't know if you knew this, Will. It's Cheeseburger Day. Did you notice everything has a day all of a sudden?
Yeah.
We got to a certain age and the internet became the thing, and then everything got a day. Cookie day, chocolate day, bagel day, lollipop day, burger day, coffee day, Willy Doo day.
I like that day.
Everything got a day. Mm-hmm. So anyway, donut day, sneaker day. Today is Cheeseburger Day. And because of that, we have an article here, the tastiest fast food cheeseburger. They ranked, what is it, 10? Yeah, or no, not quite 10. It's 9. No, only 7.
9.
They ranked 7.
Oh, 7.
Oh, they ranked 7 fast food cheeseburgers from lowest to highest.
Is it this one right here?
That is definitely not the winner. However, it's not the loser either.
Oh.
They ranked Burger King, Shake Shack, Checkers, McDonald's, Wendy's, Smash Burger, and Five Guys.
Oh.
That was the list, and I will give you the results here. In last place, we have Checkers, also known as Rallies, and this is a fast food joint in certain areas within the United States. Have you ever had a Checkers burger, Willie?
No.
I have.
You have?
Yeah, it's not that fantastic.
Oh, okay.
It's a cheeseburger, but it comes in 7th place. And if you look at the image, you can it's definitely not the most enticing of the bunch.
Which one is it?
It would be the first image, coming in 7th place.
Oh, so this one.
No, that would be the Wendy's that you're looking at there. You've got to go to 7th place, which would be the first slide in the list of slides.
Well, this is the one that started it.
No, but that would not be the first slide. That's partway along. That would be the first slide right there. That would not be the first slide, actually.
This one? Why is it showing
Whoa,
up
wait a
10?
minute. I have this. Mine is showing up kind of differently than yours. The Checkers burger on yours is actually maybe that one that you just clicked on. No, that looks like McDonald's. I don't know. You missed the one slide somehow. Maybe you got an ad or something. That's it right there.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it. The first slide.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, you can tell. it's a cheeseburger, but it's not, whatever. It's not that enticing. You go to number 6 and you're looking at the Burger King cheeseburger. Now, they have other burgers at these places, but, they ordered the cheeseburger.
Yeah.
So, the next up is the Burger King cheeseburger coming in 6th place. Yeah, I don't know what to say about burger. I haven't had Burger King in a long time, but I feel like if you go to Burger King, you got to get the Whopper or something.
Whopper, yeah.
Yeah, you can be getting the regular cheeseburger if that's what they got. McDonald's next. I guess that makes it 5th place. The McDonald's cheeseburger is not, it's a tiny little cheeseburger. It's the bun to patty ratio is insane.
Mm-hmm. You got to get a McDouble.
Yeah, I don't know. At least
double cheeseburger.
At least because the ratio there is way off. Unless you're a kid or something, you like the sweet bun, and then I understand what you're talking about. Number 4 is Smash Burger. I have never tried Smash Burger, the chain. However, I have tried the idea of the smashed burger, which you get the crispy on the outside. It's a different technique. Anyway, that comes in 4th. You get Wendy's in 3rd place. I'm a bit surprised by that. I don't mind Wendy's, but I'm surprised that it beat the Smash Burger, because it just based on looks. At the top, you have a tie between Shake Shack and Five Guys. I can speak to both. It's a slightly different approach. They're both amazing. It's a slightly different approach, but they're both amazing. You have a single fatter patty with the Shake Shack. It is a smash style as well. You're also getting a special sauce over there and a set of toppings. You pick your toppings at Five Guys.
Yeah. What do you usually go for?
At Five Guys?
Yeah.
I like onions and barbecue sauce.
That's it.
And it comes with cheese, obviously.
Yeah.
That's it. I don't like to do too much there. However, there's no milkshakes at Five Guys. Shake Shack, as you can tell from the name, incredible milkshakes. So I'm just rounding it out for you.
Okay.
Something to think about. And so in 1st place, you have Five Guys as well. It's a massive cheeseburger, and I just feel the need to remind people, if you just order a cheeseburger at Five Guys, you're getting 2 patties. It's a double. They don't call it a double. In fact, you got to go in there and say, I want the junior or the mini one or the small to get a single patty. Otherwise, you're getting 2. So the meat to bun ratio on the Five Guys might be the most advanced. Just putting that out there as well. Either way, it's cheeseburger day. I'm sure somebody's going to go get a cheeseburger after this. Hopefully you can find something near the top and you don't have to settle for something near the bottom on cheeseburger day.